In this video, let me show you Kingshot tips and tricks. So let's begin. To start, your top priority should be upgrading your command center. This is the core of your base, and upgrading it unlocks all other essential buildings. Focus on upgrading key facilities such as the barracks for troop training, the academy for research and power growth, and the powerhouse or warehouse to protect your resources from raids. When it comes to building your army, train a balanced force. Upgrade your barracks, unlock higher tier units, and ensure you're always training troops. Upgrade and assign your heroes wisely. Assign heroes to combat roles for attack and defense bonuses, and assign them to city roles for better training, construction, or gathering boosts. Use hero XP items and gear to strengthen them over time. When attacking, always scout first. Look for players with lower power levels to ensure the victory. Target inactive bases or resources nodes for easy loot. For your daily routine checklist, collect free resources, train troops continuously, upgrade buildings, and research attacks resource nodes. Use stamina before it caps, and check daily and special events for rewards. Hopefully, this guide helps you progress and Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.